Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel, expand it, and look for the battery saver. Once you find it, tap on it, select turn on, and there you go. You are now in power saving mode. Now I'll warn you that in this mode, when you have power saving on, when the device goes to sleep, meaning this kind of state where the screen is locked, it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile network to preserve battery after X amount of minutes of inactivity. And because of that, you won't be getting any kind of notifications that would require internet connection. Now, they will be synced up the moment you wake up the device again, but in the time that you're not using it, you won't be getting anything. Now, additionally, once you're done with this, you can simply tap on the toggle to turn it off and everything will go back to normal. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.